Today I will teach you how to add vendor in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. Adding a vendor is important because it is unavoidable for a business to buy some products or equipments in other stores or company, to sustain the maintenance needed in one's business. Not just that, usually those stores offer a receipt in every item a business bought. Those receipt is very important, cause they are expenses that businesses reviews to calculate the total amount of expenses that is spent or deducted to the total sales. Now let's start. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name. For example, I will type Water. The name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com, then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Now that we've entered, we need to go to the vendor module. Click the vendor module. Click plus to create a new vendor. An empty field will appear. Fill up the empty field, choose whether the vendor runs his/her business individually or the opposite, which is non-individual. Personal information is also required, the last name, first name, and middle name. Below are informations about the business, including the name and address of the business, the city and country where it's located, its TIN number, branch code, the date when you first have a transaction, fax, opening balance, phone number, and email. Once you're done, click Create. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.